This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, cooled seats, a Bose stereo system, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, side impact airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.